Adventist Stories, Day 10, The Sound of the Old Bell. In a small village stood an old church. In its tower hung an old bell that had not rung for many years. The villagers said, "It's too rusty, too old. It doesn't work anymore." One evening, a little girl walked into the church. She wanted only one thing: to hear the bell her grandmother had told her about. She climbed the narrow stairs of the tower. The old bell waited in silence. She touched the rope gently. "Please, ring just once," she whispered. At that moment, a soft breeze swept through the tower. The rope trembled, and the bell rang. Its sound was warm and clear, echoing far through the falling snow. The villagers stopped, looked up, and something stirred inside them. The old bell reminded them of something they had forgotten: love. People began walking toward the church, first 2, then 10, then the whole village. They stood together quietly, but no longer alone. The bell had brought them back to one another. That night, everyone understood. Sometimes love speaks in the softest sound. The old bell reminds us that the sound of love never disappears. It only waits to be heard again. A new story arrives tomorrow.